Hello, 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 my crafty friends, and welcome to another Crafting Today with Handmade Bay. Today we're going to continue to talk about embellishing our journal bindings, and one of my favorite ones are these wood dangles. So on this we have on our tea journal, which will be in the shop shortly. So if you like this, make sure you get on in, hugging a cup. So here I have it displayed on this journal, which is hanging off of the grommet, my favorite way to attach stuff, and just adds very simple, but look how pretty that looks. Makes it very extra special. Okay, so let's see what we need to get started. So we need the little tumbling tower pieces. You can get these at the dollar store. You're going to need 4 pieces of paper, 2 at 1 3/4 by 1/2 inch, and 2 pieces at 1 3/4 by 1/4 inch. And then we have another method, okay, which is the wraparound method, and that you will only need 1 piece of paper, which is 2 1/8 by 1 3/4. You'll need a brush for your glue. I tend to use one with very short bristles. Okay, this is a makeup brush. You will need 2 eye screws. I think that's what they're called. The very tiny ones. Okay. Some jump rings. And some charms. Or whatever you want to hang off of the bottom of them. Okay. And so just to show you some examples. How cute is that? I mean, the possibilities are endless. Your creativity can really flow with these. Go with match up every journal that you have. You can put beads on them, whatever you want to do. Okay, so let's get started. Oh, and then you do need Mod Podge. Forgot about that. Okay, we're ready to go. So I'm going to take my pieces, get them all ready. First, what you want to do, if you want to paint your pieces first, see, like these, this is some hot pink and black, and you can leave them natural, which is what we're going to do today. All right, but if you want to paint them first. Okay, let them dry. Paint them without the eye screw in there. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your Jenga piece, and we're going to put in the eye hooks. All right, so what I found an easy way is to get it started. Take a pair of needle nose pliers, and it kind of helps you hold it a little better. And just get that in there. And then we're going to put the other side in. And what's great about these is as you're gluing all your pieces, you could hang them up to dry. So that makes it nice and easy for you. Okay, so we got that in. That part's done. So now we're going to take our pieces, and I'm just going to put them here so they're a little easier to pick up when it's time to use them. Because they get a little difficult there. Okay, so we're going to take our glue, and we're going to be pretty generous with this, okay? I would recommend pouring your glue out on a dish because you have to work pretty quick here. Now, depending how fast your glue dries. I have it pretty warm in here, so this dries pretty quick. So you're going to paint your Jenga piece. Put some glue on the back of your paper, just so it adheres well. And then you're going to press it on, nice and even. And you're going to use your paintbrush just to flatten it out. And some more glue on top. The Mod Podge is just going to seal it too. I'm sure most of you have used Mod Podge. Or whatever glue you use, as long as it dries clear. Alright. I heard Mod Podge came out with an antique looking one, so I haven't tried that one yet, so I'm excited to get some. I haven't found it here yet, but. So then we're going to go around the whole thing. All our pieces. Make sure it's even. Or not, however you want it to look. Press it down with your brush. Trying to make sure you can see this okay. And we got that one. Now this is going to dry pretty quick. So you don't want to, you want to get it centered. as quick as you can. And then I'm going to paint both of these sides so we can move along here. But you see how simple this is? And such a beautiful piece you get at the end. Okay, some glue. Fix it with the brush, push it down. And then we'll get our last piece here. And there we go. Okay, so what you're going to do is wait for this to dry and then apply a second coat, and then that part's done. Okay, so what we're going to do next, pretend this is the one we just did. That one's nice and dry. So what we want to do is pick out a charm for underneath. Okay, and we're going to get our jump ring. Okay. Take our needle nose, and let's see. Kind of green and orange. I think I'm gonna do. Let's do this little cat. He's cute, right? So you're gonna take your jump ring, slip it on, get your charm on, and then close your hoop. And there it is. And then you can add your ribbons or however you're gonna add it onto your journal. And that's for that one. Now let me show you the wraparound one real quick. You're going to take your piece. You're going to start it in the middle. You're going to use the glue and everything. Start it in the middle. I have it cut so your seam matches up again, okay? So you're going to have this all covered with glue. You're going to wrap it around. And you can go ahead and change the 1 3/4. You know, you can make this shorter, expose more of the wood, whatever you want to do. But the 2 1/8 is going to give you exact measurement, so your seam matches up. Okay, it's not going to be too short, too long. You got it ready to go. All right, and then you're going to glue it, Mod Podge, and then double it up again. And that is it. Okay, so just thank you for being here. Remember to subscribe. Come on over to our workshop page. Giveaways and everything. Invite your friends. I'll have all the links below. And listen, send me your pics. I want to see what you guys create. I love the pictures you send me. And remember, we're all on this journey together. Let's make it a creative one. See you next time.